Welcome everybody. It is Crypto Moose in the Moose is Loose. Just got done filming about 14 videos. It is 2:52 a.m. right now. So I've been working very hard on a cryptocurrency 3-in-1 masterclass. So I've got tons of people involved with that. Been growing out the team a little bit more. When I say team, it's mostly just friends and family that I know, but again, it's going to be something very special. I'm definitely going to offer a very generous coupon code when that comes out. So stay tuned. But what we're going to do now is talk about Bitcoin potentially hitting 30K. But before we do that, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. This is really going to help us out because it is very difficult and very time consuming to create content. I'm definitely going to be more motivated if a lot of you are going to like, comment, and subscribe. So that's what I wanted to go over. And I did want to mention to all of you who've been commenting, thank you so much. I've been researching several different projects, and yeah, I just want to say thank you to all of you. So if we take a look at CoinMarketCap, and it is pretty late, it's about 2:53 a.m. here in Canada where I'm at. Not going to give you my exact location. Don't need anybody taking my treasure. So Bitcoin is at 28,600. So it's starting to spike up right now. That would be cool if it just went up to 30 grand right now a coin. But we also have Ethereum kind of hovering right now. But it's all about the Bitcoin right now. And that's because, I don't know if you guys have seen the news or not, but you have a lot of countries that are trying to depeg from the US dollar. I don't know how much of that is fake news or whatever you want to call it, but it is true. The Saudis have been partnering with the Chinese. If we take a look here, you've got Saudi partners with China-led security bloc as ties grow. And these guys have money. I mean, I wish they would just buy some Cardano and help Cardano go nuts, right? But no joke, like these are the oil monies, right? I recommend getting away from the trading, especially if you don't know what you're doing, because then you're just gambling. You want to think long term, right? I've been buying cryptos for the past 2 years, 3 years, heavy, every week, every month, and it's been working out for me. And I suffered an 80% crash, but I'm still doing good because when we hit a low, I went up 50%. So even though I'm down on some positions, I'm up 50% on a lot of different positions. So I'm basically back to even though we went down 80% at one point. So it shows you the value of long-term thinking. And again, I apologize, but I've been filming nonstop today. It's been, 7 hours of filming. That's a lot for me. It's a lot of talking. So when Bitcoin hit 62,000, I think about, and we went down to the 17,000, that's when I was picking up more. And even more so Cardano. I believe I picked it up right at the bottom. It was at about 20 cents, 25 cents. Yeah, I got in right here. Like perfectly. Like you think of a bullseye, I hit the bullseyes of bullseyes. Just wanted to mention that. Because I'm Crypto Moose, right? And if you're not subscribed, you're just making a mistake, right? Not subscribing to Crypto Moose is like going back to an ex-girlfriend that's been cheating on you and says, hey, how are you? And you're like, hey, I miss you. Like, don't do that, right? What you want to do is subscribe. You're better off watching the Moose, learning his tricks, his secrets. And I share a lot with you all. Maybe I should share more stories on the channel too. Let me know down below. And I would like to know all of you, I told you I've been filming for a while. And somebody just canceled the meeting on me. It's 3 a.m. People are canceling meetings. First off, do not set a meeting with the Moose and cancel. That's a big mistake, right? And then number 2, send me Cardano, right? You all know I want to keep this short and sweet.